Guys, this is Pete in San Diego. I love this company. I was in Vegas last year on the 20th. Went to see my favorite band at that big giant bubble and hung out with Charles for a few days. And he was really a great host and flew out and had great dinners and stuff like that. He just had knee surgery, so he was really a good sport because he was hobbling around showing my friend's town and everything like that. But we launched the day I got back. It was the best launch I've ever had. Had the most fun. It was an absolute crazy frenzy of people wanting my link, and I mean it was just nuts. So that was a lot of fun. It was the most I ever made. Income disclosure was the most I ever made out of the gate in any company ever. It was amazing. And like Charles said, I was able to rank up quick and stay ahead of people. And that differential meant that when someone else made a fast start, I got a piece of that too. That they didn't qualify for, but I did because I was at a higher rank. So that was a lot of fun. It's been a great year. A month after we launched, about a month after we launched, my dad was real sick. He had a very large medical bill related to what he was going through. And I had to pay it. I'm an only child and I had to pay it. And thank God for Save Club because I was able to pay that bill and take care of that. And so I'll always, always, always be grateful for this amazing industry, for that amazing opportunity. I mean, perfect timing. And to be honest with you, I had spent 10 years with the company right up until when Save Club launched, and they sold it to a big company. And so I kind of was out in the woods, not knowing what to do. So, I mean, I could name like 10 reasons why Save Club was just the most amazing timing, opportunity. I've always loved saving money. I didn't grow up with much. I've always been very frugal with stuff. And I've always thought that saving money was the best possible product you could have. Last week, I booked a hotel, and there was a few of us. We were going to meet and meet up in Orange County. And my friend said, "Oh, I paid this price," and my other friends, "Oh, I got this price." And before they talked to me, and I said, "Guys, what are you talking about? Like the hotel's like 180 a night. What are you talking about 320?" The guy's like, "No, no, no. I called the hotel directly, dude. That you can't get a better price than that." My other friend's like, "No, no, no. I went on cheap tickets. You can't get a better price than that." I said, "Well, sorry, but I went in my Save Club back office, and this wasn't even the elite travel. This was just our regular travel engine that we've had the whole time, and I had a significantly lower price on the Hyatt up in Anaheim for that trip. So, there's a lot of value there. I've had a couple times where I've gone out to lunch and I even forgot I had the app, and I got home and there was cash back coming to me because it's all automated because I have my credit card back there linked to it. So I love the card linking. Charles and I went to an amazing conference last year. We learned so much about card linking and all this stuff, and we felt very fortunate because a couple of the relationships Charles had made um, basically took us into an arena where only billion-dollar companies were allowed into it, and we were pretty amazed. We're sitting in this conference, and they're like, "Who's got card linking?" And it's like these big giant companies are saying, "We don't have that yet. We don't have that yet." And we do. So we were just saying it up then. So we're just getting started. It's a lot of fun. Yeah, we've had our challenges and stuff like that, like every company does. But if you focus on the basics, I mean, I can show you my health cards, $49 a month. Me and my wife, we can get 1,000 prescriptions free. We can get help. We can get health benefits if we need them that exceed what I have with my insurance. I just got the sour sop. I just got a 12 pack of that. I got the bitters and the tea. Oh my God. And I'm like yelling at my wife, like, don't you dare drink it all. Like one, we each get one every day. Don't be drinking it ahead of time. She wants to drink them all. And amazing product. The Three Waves Wellness, the gut biome product, which is not an MLM. You can only get it direct. And we got a huge discount on it, $100 off on 3 bottles I got. I mean, that's crazy discount. And I wanted it bad before that, but like I said, I'm very frugal. And so I waited. And as soon as we inked the deal, I bought it instantly. Me and Charles both, but amazing product. The copper, the Stay Well copper is an amazing product. Dr. Logan, I've met with him, been to his lab. Amazing, amazing guy. And oh, sorry, I was getting a phone call. But amazing, amazing guy. Hopefully you guys can hear me. Uh, Dr. Logan's products are all amazing. So, you hear all these buzzwords about NAD and all this different stuff. He's got it. I mean, we get 40% off, and it's already a really, really good deal to start with. And now we're getting 40% off. And I actually have a friend who sells with Dr. Logan. He's also a friend of him. He's paying a higher price than I am. So that's pretty funny. And so he was mad that I was getting a bigger discount. You guys are getting a bigger discount than my friend who's actually friends with Dr. Logan. Isn't that crazy? What else? And just everything we got is amazing. The Monster Engager, I see that in action all over Facebook. Great, great product. Everything we got. We're just getting started. We got a lot of cool stuff. Lower your bills. If you haven't done that, definitely take advantage of that. And we're going to be negotiating more. There's a lot of other arenas we can jump into that will give you guys discounts. We still haven't explored credit repair, debt consolidation, legal. There's a whole bunch of other stuff we can get into that we're gonna get into. We got to make sure it's the right price, the right partner. We don't want anybody on the street, so to speak, retail, to ever be able to get the deal we get. And now I'm looking in Charles's picture. I love Avoderm. I actually hurt my back because I have to pick up my dog all the time. He's getting old, and I hurt my back. And someone had sent me an MLM product, not to diss on them, but the Avoderm works better. Okay, and it's 1/10 of the price. 1/10 of the price is the Avoderm than the one that my buddy sent me a whole case of, and it works a lot better too, to be honest with you. So I'm not going to say the name of it, but pretty amazing. 90-day blitz, amazing training that Dave and Charles did on how to build MLM. Charles's book is right back there. Awesome book if you want to read a great book. Because Charles and I have been friends with it for more than a decade. We used to go on ski trips together. And we were always just friends, never did business, but I always loved his positivity. He always outworked everybody. Like, you'd go to bed and he would clean up the house, and then you'd wake up and he already had breakfast for everybody cooked. And I haven't told that story in a while, but just I always really loved his attitude about life and everything. And that's why he wrote that amazing book. I think he's working on another one. And then we have the 100 great days, 100 good days. That's all about mindset and everything. So the 90-day blitz is kind of mechanics on how to build MLM. The other one, the 100 great days, is about how to have a great mindset, which is very, very important. You always have to have a great mindset. Now, I always believe that what I'm doing is the best possible thing out there. And that may or may not be true. It doesn't matter because it serves me. So when I do something like SaveClub, I always believe that this is the best possible thing that I could be doing based on the people I know in this world, right? Maybe somebody's selling buildings or plutonium or something. Good for them. I don't know those people. In my purview, in my life, I always seek out the best thing I could possibly be doing. And when my company sold, like I said, last year after 10 years, I was looking for something great. And to me, I looked around, I saw everything. I have a whole house full of stuff. People are very nice, very generous, but Save Club really just stood out above all of those things. And I wish all my friends well that went and sold another health product or did this or did that. God bless them all. But I found Save Club, and I am so glad I did so. Matt, I don't know if you want to chime in, but yeah, the VIP is huge. If you can do
Oh,
that,
yeah.
it's one last thing. It's awesome to not think about a bill for a whole year. So a whole year went by. I was able to make a great income, and it just came up for renewal again. And of course I did the VIP again, and now a whole nother year I get to make money every Friday and not even think about it. And it's just I mean, it's so minimal compared to what you can do with this. It's crazy.